we're decorating Cat's face for Halloween tonight. Careful, Mex. Have fun, but don't forget we're guests in Cat's home. Oh, don't be scared, Mechanicals. It's just Cat. There's no such thing as monsters. Right, Cat?
See, Gecko. Meow, wow. Everything looks fantastico. Helena, could you hang these cobwebs on the control tower, porfa?
Go, Helena!
The next task is to hang up these ghosts.
I'll help you. We'll be right next door, Mex. Be careful.
Ooh, qué scary, Gecko.
What's that noise in the hangar? Nothing to fear, Mex. It's just the wind. Definitely not a monster.
Aye, Gecko, monsters aren't real. I'll show you.
A monster! Okay, there's no such thing as monsters. Wait, that sounds like Helena. She's all tangled up in these cobwebs.
Pobrecita. How did you get locked outside?
I see. Thank you for telling us. But remember, accidents happen when you're not being careful.
Helena can't fly if her rotor blades are tangled in the cobwebs.
To untangle Helena's rotor blades, we have to unbolt them. What tools do we need? Screwdriver, wrench! Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this. First, we'll unscrew the cap on top to get to your blades. Ooh. Then, unbolt them with this wrench. Now, let's bolt your blades back in place, then screw the cap back on your rotor, and all done!
Gracias, Gecko and Mechanicals. Helena has a surprise outside to say thank you.
Let's go, Mex! But remember, always be careful wherever you roam, especially in a good friend's home. Hooray! Plenty of candy and not a monster in sight! Happy Halloween, everyone!